بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين وعلى محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, hope everyone is well and everyone can hear me.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Yes, Sheikh, we can hear you. I'm just trying to find my book.
Don't find your book, Karen, not to worry. So where have we reached? Which lesson?
I think we were in chapter 4.
Chapter 4.
Completed it, or we were in the last exercises of it. I'm also trying to find my book.
Karen.
We were at lesson 4, and I think we finished the exercise as well.
Exactly. Well, lesson 5 today.
Inshallah.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what I thought. We finished lesson 4. We're on lesson number 5. That's what I thought. All right. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Now, can you, sisters, Nadri, can you kindly go and start the points to remember? So this lesson is a really easy lesson. It's talking about the verb itself, that every verb in the past tense, it has a doer, and it shows that where is the doer of the verb situated, the past tense itself.
Okay.
Bismillah.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this lesson, we learned the following. The fa'il, the subject of a verb, a verbal sentence. We have already learned that in Arabic there are 2 types of sentences, nominal and verbal. The nominal sentence commences with a noun, and the verbal sentence commences with a verb. The subject of the verbal sentence is called fa'il. For example, Zahaba Bilalun. Bilal went. The fa'il is marfu. The fa'il can be a pronoun as well also. For example, Zahabu. Zahabu actually. They went. The fa'il is the waw. Zahabata. Zahabata. You went. The fa'il is ta. Zahabna. We went. The fa'il is na. Note that in Zahabat Tullabu, the students went, the verb Zahaba has no waw. And at the end, because Zahabu means they went. And if we say Zahabu Tullabu, it means the students went. This is not correct because there cannot be 2 files for a verb. But we can say At-Tullabu Zahabu. Here, At-Tullabu is Mubtada. And the sentence Zahabu, they went, is Khabar. I'm really sorry, I'm a bit stuttering because I don't have my glasses. I broke them. Okay. Okay. The same also applies to 3rd person feminine. Zahabat al-banatu. The girls went, or al-banatu dhahabna. Learn this rule. Nominal sentence.
Did you put the map back on and it said 2 days?
At-tullabu zahabu. Zahaba at-tullabu. Sorry, I think I have to read it in a different way, or no?
No, let me explain now. Let me explain.
Okay.
So what it's trying to say here, first of all, it's saying that there are two types of sentences: a verbal sentence and a nominal sentence. Now, when a verb starts a sentence, it's called a verbal sentence. Dhahaba Bilalun. So Dhahaba Bilalun, it's a verbal sentence, and the verb is normally going to start, and the doer of the verb is situated after the verb, and it's Bilalun is called the fa'il. However, if I change the position of Bilal with Dhahaba, say Bilalun Dhahaba, it will no longer be called a verbal sentence, it will be called a nominal sentence. In that scenario, Bilal will be Mubtada, and Bilalun, so Bilalun is Mubtada, and Dhahaba is the verb, and it's a verbal sentence coming as the khabar for Bilal. And every verb must have a doer. Every verb must have a doer, or a verb cannot happen without a doer. So you have the attached suffixes to them, like dhahab, the waw, the habta, tuma, the habna. So you have these. They are used as long as there is no name of an individual after the verb. So for example, when we say dhahaba by itself, it means he went. Dhahaba means he went. But when you say dhahaba Bilal and Bilal went, we will not say Bilal, he went. We say Bilal went. So for one verb, you cannot have two doers.
Yeah.
So either you have Bilal, you mention Bilal as a doer, or either you say he went, and you say remain quiet. And then it's mentioning that if the verb comes first, you can have a singular or a plural doer after the verb. So dhahaba at-talibu or dhahaba at-tullabu. So the students went. Note that dhahaba at-tullabu, the students s at the end, went. The verb dhahaba has no waw at the end because dhahabu means they went. If we say dhahabu at-tullabu, it means the students went. So then what happens when you also make the verb plural, and the plural and the doer of the verb comes after it, you're making as if look like there are two doers for one verb. You don't do that. You keep the verb singular, dhahaba, and say at-tullabu. As long as the doer fa'il of the verb comes after the verb. But if we change the positioning, this is not, then it says it means the students went. This is not correct because there cannot be two fa'il for a verb. Then it says, but we can say at-tullabu dhahabu. This is correct. We can say this, at-tullabu dhahabu. This is correct. At-tullabu dhahabu. Now this is a jumla ismiya. A jumla ismiya. Jumla ismiya meaning a
nominal sentence.
Yeah, a nominal sentence. Now, in a nominal sentence, mubtada comes first. Now, when the mubtada, meaning the noun, comes first, the verb has to now correspond in gender. Write this down. It has to correspond in gender and number with the mubtada. Because at-tullab is plural, the verb has to come plural.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
So yes, correct. Yeah. So in nominal sentence, for example, at-tullabu dhahabu.
Correct.
It is a nominal sentence, and the verbal sentence would be dhahaba tullabu.
Dhahaba tullabu, or one student. Dhahaba at-talibu.
Dhahaba talibu. Yeah.
Now over here now, al-banat, dhahabat al-binatu. The daughter, the girls went. So the verb is singular, al-banatu is plural. Now over here, al-banatu dhahabna.
No.
Because banat is a mubtada now, the verb has to refer back to the previous noun. So that's the reason why the verb has to tally with
Mhm.
al-banat.
Okay, in gender and in number. Okay,
Yes.
perfect. Okay.
And this is what this is trying to explain here as well in these
All right.
this at-tullabu dhahabu. At-tullab is mubtada, nominal sentence.
Mhm.
At-tullabu dhahabu. But when it's a verbal sentence, dhahabu, when it's a verbal sentence, it becomes singular. Dhahaba at-tullabu. And in the nominal sentence, at-talibatu dhahabna, the verbal plural feminine, this is plural. So that's the reason why it's corresponding. But when it's verbal sentence, you use a singular, dhahabat, and you say at-talibatu.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So the next point is the maf'ul bihi, the subject. Maf'ul bihi is mansub, for example. Fataha waladu Fataha waladul baba. The boy opened the door. Here al-bab is the maf'ul bihi, and so it is mansub. Here are some more examples. Ra'aytu Hamidun. I saw Hamid. Sa'alta al-mudiru Zainaba. The headmaster asked Zainab. Shariba rajulul ma'a. The man drank water. Sa'al al-waladu ummuhu. The boy asked his mother.
Excellent.
No, okay.
Just finish that paragraph off up to the more examples of this kind.
Okay. Note that the last example, the maf'ul bihi is and so it takes the so it takes the a ending, and the pronoun who is not part of it. Ahu. Here are some more examples of this kind.
Jazakallah. Let me
Okay.
get someone else on the mic.
Okay, thank
Sister, who's there? Let's bring Sister Farabag. Can you come on the mic?
Yes, Sheikh, I can.
Bismillah.
Do you want me to read from note?
From Ra'aytu Baytaka.
Okay. Ra'aytu Baytaka. I saw your house. Bayta plus ka means we'll read it as Baytaka or your house. Fatahat talibu kitabah. Is it kitabah? Kitabah. The student opened his book. Kitaba and who will be joined together. So the pronoun gets joined with the noun. The maf'ul bihi can be a pronoun. For example, Ra'aytu Bilalan wa sa'altuhu. I saw Bilal and asked him. Where the who refers to Bilal. The noon of the tanween is followed by a kasra. The noon of the tanween is followed by a kasra if the next word commences with hamzatul wasl. For example, sharaba hamidul ma'a. Shariba hamidul ma'a. So Hamid drank water.
Correct.
Here, if the kasra is not added, it is difficult to pronounce the letter combination nil. This is called iltiqa'us sakinin. Sakinain. Combination of two vowels. Combination of two vowel-less letters.
It basically means that two vowels together itself. That's what it means.
So basically we'll take the hamidul, the tanween gets dropped, and then dal is also considered vowel-less and lam is also considered vowel-less.
Yep.
Okay. Whenever such a combination occurs, it is removed by inserting a kasra between them. Just removed by, what does that mean?
Look at this here. Sa'ala iblalu nubnil
Nahu.
So this is what happened.
Sa'ala Bilal lubnahu.
Yeah. So
Bilal asked his son. Bilal. Lun ibnahu. Why does it say Bilalun ibnahu in English?
So Bilal asked, that's translated, Bilal asked
Okay,
his,
okay, okay. So we'll keep Bilalun, and at Alif we'll insert a kasra.
correct, when you read it itself.
Okay, so Sa'ala Bilalun ibnahu. And then Sami'a Faisalun il
So Faisal,
Adana.
so Sami'a Faisal lil adhana.
Faisalin.
Yeah, lil. So the tanween is given a kasra, lil adhana.
Okay.
So Faisal nil. So this noon here, there should be a noon here, nil adhana and nib nahu. So
Okay.
there's this tanween there. You meant to have like a noon that is nib nahu and nil adhana.
Okay, it's Nibnahu. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
So this small noon should be added.
Okay. I'll read this again. If the kasra is not added, it is difficult to pronounce the letter combination nil. It is called iltiqa'us sakinain, combination of two vowel letters. Whenever such a combination occurs, it is removed by inserting a kasra between them. Okay, they didn't mention the noon in the text.
Yeah.
Mhm.
In the transliteration, they've done it in the transliteration, but not in the Arabic text. That's what's
So
happening.
my Sheikh, in the transliteration, it is Faisalu Nib Ni. It is Ni.
Nibnahu.
Faisalu Nib.
Nibnahu, yes.
Yeah.
And
Nibnahu.
nil adhana.
Bilalu Nibnahu. Bilalu Nibnahu.
Correct.
So
before
it would be Bilalu or Bilalun ibnahu. I mean, noon moves to the next letter.
Yeah, so the noon would be read. We'll join it onto the next letter, correct?
Okay.
Faisalu, Faisal, nil adhan.
Nil adhana. Okay, thank you. We have learned earlier that most Arabic words have only three letters, which are called radicals. The first letter is called the first radical. The second letter is called the second radical, and the third is called the third radical.
Right.
Kataba means ka will be the first radical, ta will be the second, and the ba will be the third radical.
Right.
Notice that in the mari, the first and the third radicals have fatha.
Correct.
In the past tense. The second radical may have fatha, kasra, or dhamma. For example, rahaba, dakhala, kharaja, sharaba, fahama. I don't know what the radical on, what the vowel on ha would be. Would it be fahama? Or fahima? Fahima. And kabura.
Correct.
So do you want me to go through the vocabulary?
Yes, please.
Okay. Kasara means he broke. Sami'a means he heard. Fahima means he understood. Shariba, he drank. Hafiza, he memorized. Daraba, he beat. Dakhala, he entered. Akala, he ate. Ghasala, he washed. Qatala, he killed. Khubzun, bread. Jayyadan, well.
Jayyidan.
Jayyidan. So thank you. Jayyidan, well. Ainaba. Ainabun, grapes.
Yep.
Mauzun.
Banana. Banana. It's a banana. But yeah.
Okay. Mauzun is banana. Tinun, fig. Fajrun, dawn. Jawabun, answer. Su'alun, question. Hayyatun, snake. Baqalun, yeah, is it a fatha? Baqalun,
yep.
Grocer. Asan, stick. Qahwatun, coffee. Dukkanun, shop. The plural will be dakakin. Dakakin. And suburatun, writing board.
Right.
Thank you.
Right. And I request Sister Kanwal Masroor to come on the mic.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam. And I will request Zainab Nadari to read halfway, and then I'll bring Sister Farwa on there. Go ahead. Kanwal Masroor, go and read with Sister Zainab.
Al-Mudarrisu. Man fataha
Let's
bab.
start from the Ad-Darsul Khamisu, the 5th lesson.
Ad-Darsul Khamisu. Lesson 5. 5th. Al-Mudarrisu. Man fataha babul fasli. The teacher who opened the class door.
Correct.
Ana fatahtu. I opened it.
Waman fataha al-nawafizi.
Nawafidh.
Nawafiza. And who opened the windows?
Ana fatahtuha. I opened them.
Man kasara hazal maktaba. And who broke this book, this table?
Yes.
Anta kasartahu ya Hashimu. Are you broke
you?
this?
No,
Do you broke?
No,
Okay.
Did you break?
Did you break this table, O Hashim?
Hashimun. La inni ma kasartahu. No, I did not break it.
Raja Zikriya wa Hamzatu wa Usmanu min Makkata. Did you return from Zikr?
No, did Zakaria, Hamza, and Usman. So that's 3 people, and the verb is still remaining singular, Raja. So this is permitted.
Raja.
Did Zakaria, Hamza, Usman return from Makkah?
Makkah.
La ma raja'u. No, they did not return.
Yes, Tazo. Kharaja Tullabul Jadudu wa Zahabu ilal Mudiri. O teacher, these new students came,
Exited,
and went to the administrator.
Correct.
Afahimta darsa ya Talha. Did you understand the lesson, O Talha?
The yes. Fahimtuhu jayadan. Yes, I understood well.
Akatabta ajwibata ya Faisalu. Sorry, I don't know the translation.
Akatab. So here is Akatab. Did you write the answers?
Did you write the answers? All right.
Yeah.
Ajwibata. Okay, the answers. Yeah, Faisal. Okay.
Lama katabtuha. Yes, I did. I wrote.
Limaza, why?
La anni ma fahimtul as'ilata. Lani Sheikh, Lani. Yes,
Because it's, I think it is because I did not
they are
understand the
easy.
question. No,
Okay.
because I did not understand the question.
Okay. لأني ما فهمت الأسئلة.
لماذا لأنني ما فهمت because indeed, or because I did not understand the question. As-su'al is the singular and as'ila is a plural.
Ahafista Surat al-Fajr ya Ibrahim. Have you memorized Surah Fajr, O Ibrahim?
Naam, hafiztuha. Yes, I memorized. Wa hafiztu Surat al-Taini ayzan. And I memorized Surat al-Tain
as well.
Excellent. Sister, okay, that was quick. Right, can I ask Sister Farwa to come on the mic?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
I'll go to the next exercise.
Can I ask one question before that? When it says la ma katabtuha, why are we using a feminine pronoun here?
But Where are you?
Because in the fifth last line, is it because jawab is a feminine word?
Correct. So la ma katabtuha, ha is feminine, so that's the reason why ha is reused to refer back to the answers itself.
Okay. So and is questions a feminine or sa'al lata is also a feminine word?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Is a surah? Yes, surah is also a feminine word. That's why he's saying have faith to her.
Yeah.
Thank you. Answer the following questions. Aina zahabat tulabul jududu. Where did the new students go? So the answer is at-tulabu at-tulabul jududu zahabu ilal mudiri.
Correct. الطلاب الجدد ذهب الطلاب الجدد إلى المدير. Correct.
Okay, so we'll start with zahaba.
Yeah.
Okay. Fahima Talha darsa. Did Talha understood the lesson? And the answer is yes. So
How would you say that?
yeah, I'm trying to figure that out. Naam. No, we won't say yes.
Yeah. Yes, that's right. That's right. Naam.
Naam. Fahamtahu. He understood it.
No. Fahima hu jayyidan. So you need to say, and na'am is na'am fahimtuhu. I understood it well. So you need to say, yes, he understood it.
Okay, we'll drop
well.
it too.
Yeah.
Fahimahu jayyidan.
Yes.
Okay, na'am fahimhu
Fahimahu.
jayyidan.
Correct.
Thank you. Ayya suratin hifza Ibrahim. Which surah did Ibrahim memorize?
Ayya surah hafidha Ibrahim.
Ayya, sorry, what did I say wrong?
I think the word that you said, I think hafidha, you pronounce it wrong. Ayya suratin hafidha Ibrahim.
Ayya suratin hafidha Ibrahim. Which surah did Ibrahim memorize? So we'll start with hafidha. It will be a verbal sentence.
Correct.
Hafidha Ibrahimu suratul fajri.
Hafidha Ibrahimu surat al-Fajr. Correct.
Okay. Man fatahan nawafidha. Who opened the window?
Yep.
And fataha nawafidha aliyun.
So aliyun. So you say, so you can say fataha aliyun an nawafidha.
Okay.
Fataha aliyun.
Okay, so yeah, the file will come with the fail. Then Ali opened the window.
Yeah. So fataha aliyun an nawafidha.
Thank you.
Right. Next person. Sister Gulshan, can you do the next exercise? Number 2. Gulshan, are you there? Gulshan? Okay, Sister Munira, go ahead.
Yes, Maulana.
Okay, go ahead. Munira, you here? Okay. Sorry, Gulshan, go ahead. And then I'll give Gulshan the next, Munira the next exercise. So Gulshan, go exercise 2. Read the Arabic text and say which one is correct and which one is incorrect. Mark the correct statements with a tick and incorrect with X. Read these 4 questions, please.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fataha Aliyun Fasla. It's correct, I think so. Faslan. Fataha Aliyun Fasla.
No, I think Hamid opened the door, isn't Hamid opened the class, isn't it?
No. I'm reading the second.
Yeah, so it says Ali opened the class, but isn't it Hamid who opened the door?
Fataha Aliyun Fasla. Okay, Ali opened the class. Okay, Fataha Aliyun Fasla. So I have to do correction or I have to say it's right or wrong?
It's a correct statement or a wrong statement.
Okay, so Aliyun, no, Fataha Aliyun, no, it's wrong. It should be Aliyun. Aliyun Fataha al-Fasla. I think so, it's wrong.
No. I think it would be Fataha Hamidun al-Fasla.
Hamidun is not here. It's written Aliyun Fasla. Okay, I have to correct from the first.
No, you have to say yes or
exercise.
no, correct or no. So man fatah al-bab, man fatah al-fasl, ana fatahtuhu. So you have to say no, that is incorrect. So Ali didn't open the door, Hamid opened the door. So just leave it as that incorrect sentence.
Okay. So I have to correct the answer. Okay.
No,
you
no,
said
not correct it. Say wrong. That's it.
wrong. Yes, it's wrong. Yes. Ma raja'a Zakaria wa Hamzatu wa Usmanu min Makkati. No, this is also wrong. Ma raja'a. It's wrong.
La ma, that's correct. They did not
Yeah.
return.
Okay, so it's correct. The second one is?
Yes, it's correct. Next one.
Ma kataba Faisalun ajwibatu annahu ma fahima as'alata.
Al-as'ilata.
As'ilata, yes. This also I can't get it.
So Faisal did not write the answers because he did not understand the question. So Faisal, what does it say?
I think so.
Faisal? La ma katabtu limada. Annani ma fahimtu al-as'ila is correct.
Correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Ma kataba Faisal ajwibatal na kalamatu maksurun. Yeah, this is also right.
Ma kataba Faisal al-ajwibatal
This is wrong.
maksuru is wrong.
Okay,
This
ma
is wrong.
kataba
Yeah.
Faisal. No, I can't get it.
No, what he's trying to do is trying to ask a question about the lesson, whether you understood the lesson or not. So that there's nothing more than that. So that's fine. Okay, next person, Sister Munira.
Yes, Sheikh. So what I have to do in this, it says
Read
read and remember.
Yeah, so you need to, it's showing you how a sentence should be constructed. So qara'a at-talibu al-Qur'ana. So you have the verb, fa'il, and the maf'ul, the object of the verb. This is how the sentence should be constructed. So they put the word al-Qur'an, and when it comes in the sentence, qara'a at-talibu al-Qur'ana. So now al-Qur'anu becomes al-Qur'ana. Why? Because it is the object of the verb of qara'a. Let's do 4 of them now. Bismillah.
قرأ الطالب القرآن. قرأ is فعل, الطالب is فاعل, القرآن مفعول به. The student read the Quran. كتب المدرس الدرس. كتب فعل, المدرس فاعل, الدرس مفعول به. The director wrote the lesson. شرب ضيف
Teacher,
Yes.
not the director, teacher.
The teacher, sorry, thank you. شرب الضيف القهوة. So شرب فعل, الضيف فاعل, القهوة مفعول به. So ضيف is the guest, drank the coffee. فتحت آمنة الباب. فتحت is فاعل, فعل, آمنة فاعل, الباب مفعول به. آمنة open the door. Done, Sheikh.
I know. I want to give the next exercise to Sister Parveena Kavi. So Sister Parveena Kavi, can you do?
Yes, Malan.
In this exercise, you need to just mention where is the maf'ul bihi, and also do the first 5, and then I'll choose someone else to come on the mic.
Okay. How many you want me to do?
5,
5.
and
Okay.
where is the 5 and the maf'ul bihi?
Okay. Kasarat tifla. Tiflu al-kalama. Al-kalama is maf'ul bihi. Tiflu is fa'il, and kasara is the fail. Ghasalat Aminatul mandila. Ghasalat is the fail, aminatu fa'il, and al-mandila is the maf'ul bihi. Akala asamatul enaba wa akalat zawjahu. Osama ate the grapes and his wife ate the banana. So akala is fa'il, Usama, no, sorry, akala is fail, Osama is fa'il, enaba is maf'ul bihi, and then akalat is the fail, zojatu fa'il, and al-mauza maf'ul bihi, and then is the sharibat bakarat al-ma'a, the cow drank the water. So sharabat is the fail, bakara fa'il, al-ma'a is the maf'ul bihi, hafiza hafiza hamazatu al-Qur'ana. Hafiza is fail, hamzatu is the fa'il, and al-Qur'ana maf'ul bihi. 5.
Thank you. Who's going to be next now?
Thank you, Maulana.
Thank you. Who's going to be next?
You want me to continue?
No, let me choose someone else now. Sister Mukarrama, can you do the next 5?
Yes, Sheikh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. ضربت فاطمة بنتها. Hit Fatima,
So
her
Fatima
daughter.
hit. Fatima hit.
Fatima hit her daughter.
Mhm.
Zarabat is the fa'il, Fatimatu is the fa'il, and bintaha is the maf'ul bihi. Qatala ar-rajulu al-hayyata bil-hajari. So the man killed the snake with a stick.
Correct.
Qatala is the fa'il.
Not stick, stone.
Stone. Hajar. Qatala is the fa'il. Rajulu is the man, the file, and hayata is the maf'ul bihi, bil hajar is the second maf'ul bihi. Jar wa majroor. Al hayata is jar majroor. Bil hajar.
Al-Hayyata is snake. Al-Hayyata is snake.
Jar majroor.
Bil hajar is jar majroor. Hayata bil hajar. So jar.
No,
Yeah,
Bil-Hajari is jar
bil-hajar.
majroor.
Bil-hajari is jar majroor.
And Al-Hayyata is the object.
Al-hayata is the maf'ul bihi.
Maulana, what is the difference between beard and snake translation? They both look alike. Hayya.
No. The word lihyatun. Lihyatun is
Lahyatun. Okay.
There's
Okay.
al-Hayyat. Yeah,
Hayyatu is the snake and lahyatu is beard.
correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Sheikh Bil-Hajari, that is also part
So
of Maful Bihi, or it's not?
it's
It's just
called a
an,
preposition.
so it's an additional information, right?
Yes.
Would not be counted in Maful Bihi.
No, because of the harf jar, it just classified as jar majroor.
All right, thank you.
Sami'a Bilalun al-azana wa zahaba ila al-masjidi. Sami'a is fa'il, Bilalun is the fa'il, al-azana is the object, maf'ul bihi, wa zahaba, and he went, that is the fa'il,
Correct.
ila al-masjidi, towards the masjid.
Correct.
Ila al-masjidi is jar majroor.
Correct.
And
Kataba-
Zahaba is fail and file mustatir.
Yes, thank you. كتب المدرس الدرس على السبورة. So كتب is the فعل, مدرس is the فاعل, Ad-darsa is the maf'ul bihi. Al-saburati is the jar majroor.
Correct.
Fataha al-baqalu ad-dukana fi sa'ati thamina. So Fataha is the fail, al-baqalu is the fa'il, ad-dukana is the maf'ul bihi, fi sa'ati saminati. So it is jar majroor, fi sa'ati saminati.
Excellent. Right, exercise 5. I want 5 students. I want Sister Farwa, Munira, Sister Zainab Nadiri, and Kanwal Masroor to do that next exercise. One each.
I'll go with the first one. Man
Yep.
fataha, who opened. Line Man fataha bab al-fasli, who opened the door of the class.
Correct. Next one, next student.
غسلت أختي, my sister washed. Mindilan,
No.
my sister washed a handkerchief.
So you can say, yeah, okay, Mandil, that's fine. But you could say it, we could have made it better than that. That's fine. That's fine. Mindilan, yeah.
Mindiluhu. Okay.
Mindilaha.
Mindilaha,
Mindilaha.
her handkerchief.
Correct.
Mindilaha or Mindilan. Okay.
This is Zainab.
قتل الرجل الحية بالعصا. The man killed the snake with the stick.
Correct. Sister Kanwal.
Sharaba Yusuful Kahwata. Yusuf drank kahwa.
Shariba Yusuf al-Kahwata. Correct.
Kahwata.
And the last one.
Can I read?
Yeah, go ahead, Kanwal.
Katabal Mudarraso Ad-Darasa ala Saburati.
Kataba Darsu ad-Darsa ala Saburati. Correct.
Yeah. The teacher
wrote
wrote the lesson on the blackboard.
Excellent. Sister Munira, can you do 7, 6 and 7?
It is Su'adul Khubza. Can I use any verb? Like Akala Su'adul Khubza?
Akala Su'ad al-Khubza, correct?
Qara'atu al-Qur'ana.
Correct. Qara'atul al-Qur'ana, correct? Sister Parveen Naqvi, 8, 9, and 10.
8, 9, and 10. Okay. Ana ya Hamzatu. As-sama al-azana ya Hamzatu.
No. As-sami'a.
As-samia al-azana ya Hamzatu. Did you listen to the azan, oh Hamza?
Did you hear? Not listen, hear.
Sami'ta.
As-sami'ta, yes, correct. Because Ya Hamza, you're calling someone.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it will be the second form. As-samita al-azana ya Hamzatu. And then opening is
Fataha.
Fataha tajiru ad-dukana. Ad-dukana. The merchant opened the shop.
Last one.
دخلت طلاب من الفصل.
No, that's wrong. You do not enter from the classroom. You exit from the classroom.
Oh, min al-fasli. Sorry, min al-fasli. Okay, that will be kharajat tullabu min al-fasli.
Yeah, so whenever you have min only mentioned,
it's
exiting. And it's ila, dakhala, then it will be dakhala, fil, or if it's fil, fasli, it will be dakhala at-tullabu fil fasli.
Thank you. I missed the min and I just looked at the tullabu and then fasli.
Sister, no problem. Sister Gulshan, can you do the next 3, please?
Can I ask one question? Can we use dhahaba as well instead of kharaja, or kharaja is the most suitable one here?
That's the most suitable. You leave from.
Okay. Thank you.
Unless you said Dhahaba Aliyun min al masjidi ilal. If it's min, then you should have ila as well.
Yeah.
Mm,
Gotcha.
okay.
You can't say, you're right, sister, on this one here. You can't say Dhahaba tullabu min al fasli. That the students went from the classroom. That's correct as well.
Okay. Thank you.
Sister Gulshan, can you do the next free, please? The next exercise. Sister Gulshan, are you there? She's not there. Then Sister Kanwal Masroor, I want you to do the next free, please.
My phone is not
Go ahead, then, Sister Gulshan. Okay, phone's not working. Then Sister Kanwal, Bismillah, come on the mic.
See, now it's open. Okay, do it. Do it.
Go ahead.
Al-Qur'anu Hafiza.
So what you have to do, it says there, use each of the following words in a sentence as shown maf'ul bihi. So you need to make a sentence with Al-Qur'anu. Did you memorize the Quran? So you need to make the word Quran come in a sentence as an object of a verb.
Okay. Hafiza Hamzatu Al-Qur'ana.
Hafidha al-Hamzatu al-Qur'ana, correct.
क्या बताओ? Sharaba Hamzatul Kava.
Not Sharaba, Shariba.
Shariba Zaifu Al-Kavata.
Shariba al-Dhaifu al-Kahwata. Translation?
The guest drank the kava.
Correct.
Tea.
Correct.
Al-Fatahu. Al-Fatahu. At-Tullabul Jadudu. Al-Tullabu Fatahu min al-Fasli.
No.
Fil Fasli.
Tufahu is apple.
Oh, sorry. At-Tufahu. Akala At-Tufahu.
The apple didn't eat himself.
Yeah.
You can't have the apple eating itself. You say akala at-tullabu at-tufaha.
Akala At-Tullabu At-Tufaha.
Correct.
Thank you, Sheikh.
Next person, you can choose. Sister Gulshan, are you there?
Yes.
Go ahead, Bismillah.
Al-Babu Maftuhun.
No. You need to,
I have to. Yeah.
I opened the door.
Ana Babu Maftuhun.
No. Ana fatahtu al-baba. So you need to use a verb.
Ana fatahtu al-baba. Okay.
I opened the door.
Okay, Ana fatahtu. Ad-darsu.
I have memorized the lesson.
Okay. Ad-darsu.
No, I memorized the lesson. Or you can say
Ana.
Yeah.
Ana darsu.
No. Use the verb, Sister Gulshan. Verb. Ana hafidtu. Ana hafidtu.
Darsun. Okay. Ana hafizu darsun. Okay.
Ana hafidtu ad-darsa.
Darsa.
It's the
No,
object.
I can't.
Ana hafidtu ad-darsa. I memorized the lesson. So what this exercise asked you is to make these verbs as objects. And when you make a noun into an object, it takes a fatah.
Fatah. Okay. Ana darsu. Ana hafizu darsa.
Al-kamisu.
Ana hafizu darsa.
Ana hafidtu ad-darsa. Al-kamis. I say Muhammad washed the shirt. Ghasala is the verb. Ghasala is the verb. Ghasala means washed.
Okay. Ghasala Muhammadu Kamizun.
Kamisa.
Ghasala Muhammadun
Kamisa.
al-kamisa.
Kamisa. Gasala Muhammadu Kamisa.
Correct. Right.
It's correct or wrong?
Yes, correct. It's correct. Sister Farwa, can you do the next exercise and explain what's happening?
I'll try. At-tulabu, examine the following examples. Number 1, At-tulabu dhahabu ilal mal'abi. The students went to the playground.
Correct.
And dhahabat tulabu ilal mal'abi. So we've changed from a nominal sentence to a verbal sentence.
Correct.
So in this case, I think in the first case, the verb was in a plural form because it was following the pattern of the students. Because at-tulabu is also a plural word. But in the verbal case, we are using a just a simple past tense or the singular form of it.
Correct.
On number 2, it's at-talibatu dhahabna ila al-maktabi. So the female students went to the class or to the school.
Maktaba, office.
Library. Okay.
Library.
Okay. To the library. The female students went to the library, and when changing it from a nominal sentence to a verbal sentence, we will again use the singular form of the third person instead of the plural form. We'll say ذهبت طالبات إلى المكتب.
Correct. ذهبت الطالبة إلى المكتبة. And if it's if the noun is coming first, then الطالبات ذهبنا إلى المكتبة. Okay, right. Sister Zainab Nadiri, I want you to do the next exercise. I want you to do the next 3. So it's first of all, it's got the verbal nominal sentence and it's got the verbal sentence. Sister Parveen, correct her, please, if she does any mistake.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So the example is Al-awladu sharibul qahwata. Awlad is the kids.
Kids,
Right.
children.
The kids drank the qahwa. Sharibal awladu qahwata. The kids drank the qahwa. Okay, it's nominal and a verbal sentence. Okay, An-nasu sami'ul azanu. People heard the azan. Sami al-azan. Sami an-nasu al-azanu. Al-azana.
Correct.
At-tullabu katabul ajwibata. The students wrote the answers. Katabat tullabu al-ajwibata.
Yeah, all correct.
Okay. Okay.
Next person.
Thank you.
Who's me next? Sister Kanwar. 4, 5, and 6. And then Sister Munira.
الطالبات دخلنا الفصل. دخلت طالبات الفصل. المدرسون خرجوا من الفصول. خرجنا.
Yep, correct.
خرجنا.
No, خرج المدرس.
خرج المدرسون من الفصول.
Correct.
زملائي رجعوا من مكة. رجع زملائي من مكة.
Excellent. Sister Munira.
أخواتي غسلنا القمصان. غسلت أخواتي القمصان.
Correct.
التجار فتحوا الدكاكين. فتح التجار دكاكين. الطبيبات ذهبن إلى المستشفى. ذهبت ذهبت الطبيبات إلى المستشفى. الطلاب فهموا الدرس. فهم الطلاب الدرس.
Thank you. Last exercise. I'm going to ask that to be done by. Okay, that's just a read and write.
Mr. Gulshan.
Yes, Sister Gulshan. Just read this and then we have the last part to do. Go ahead, sister. Okay, no, sister. Yeah, go ahead, Gulshan. What's happening here? Explain what's happening here.
Kharajat tullabu zahabu.
What's happening?
Student went. Kharajat tullabu zahabu. Student went.
No.
Kharaja means to.
The student exited and they went.
Okay, student exited and they went. Acha, okay, 2 times it is zahabu and kharaju. Okay. Student exited and they went. Qara'atal tullabu wa katabu. Student read.
And they wrote.
The book. Read the book. Isn't it?
They wrote katabu. They wrote. So what's happening? Qara'u, they read. The students read and wrote. So what you see, the first verb qara'a is coming singular, and the second verb is coming plural.
Plural, yes.
It's referring back to at-tullabu, okay?
Okay, at-tullabu, okay. Akalan nasu wa sharibu. Akalan nasu. People thought and sharibu. Akala means
Eight.
Okay, people ate and drank.
Correct. Okay, sister, Farwa, sister Zainab, and sister Kanwan. Can you do the next exercise, one each, please?
Make a sentence from each pair of verbs on the pattern as the example. Okay.
Yeah, I would like to tell Sister Gulshan, katabu is kataba, to write, not book. She was mistaken. She said they read from the book.
Okay, thank you.
Where was I mistaken? Katabu.
Second one, number
Katabu
2.
is not to book, it is to write. In Arabic, kataba is to he wrote.
Okay, katabu is right. Okay. Thank you, sister.
So in the next exercise, we have been given 2 verbs and we need to use the nouns they have given and make a sentence on the pattern of exercise number 9. So the first verb would be in the singular form, and the second verb would then change into a plural form. So dakhalat tullabu ila al-fasli wa jalasu.
Correct.
Fil
fasli. Sorry, thank you.
Correct, sister Zainab.
ضرب الأولاد هية وقتلوها.
Next one, Sister Kanwan.
Yes. Qara al darasa and qara darsu wa fahimu tulla.
No, who is reading the lesson?
No, qara'atu darasa.
Lesson.
Qara tullabu.
Qara'a at-tullabu.
Qara tullabu wa fahimu darasu.
Okay.
Wa fahimu darasu.
Fahimu ad-darsa is the object.
Okay. Qira'atul. Yes, sir. Qira'atul labu wa fahimu ad-darasa.
Ad-darsa, correct. Sister Parveen.
Sami an-nasa al-azana wa zahabu fil masjid. Fil masjid.
Yeah. Okay, finish the last one. Yeah, Ilal Masjid. Finish off. Yeah. Next one, Sister Parveen, finish it off.
Okay, use each of the following verbs as in a sentence. Akala. Akala at-tiflu at-tufahu.
Correct.
At-tufaha. Sorry. Ghasala ammi kamisaha.
Ghasalat ummi.
Ghasala ummi kamisaha. Qara'a tullabu wa fahimu kataba al-mudarrisu darasa as-saburata
على السبب.
darasa al-sabura.
على
Missing
السبورة
something.
جار ومجرور.
Ala
على
sabura.
السبورة
Ala
جار ومجرور.
saburati. Yeah, I was missing ala sabura. Ala saburati. Katala. Katala. Katala rajulu al-hayyata bil-hajari.
Correct.
dakhala tulabu fil fasli.
Correct.
خرج المدير
Minal.
خرج المدير
Minal.
من المدرسة المكتبة.
Correct.
حافظ حامد السورة التين.
No. Hafidha Muhammad Surat Tini. There's no alif lam at the beginning.
Okay. حافظ حامد سورة التين. شرب ضيف القهوة. فهم الطلاب الدرس.
Correct.
سمع الناس الأذان.
Correct.
And then it
Last one after that, so Sister Zainab Nadri. Can you do the next exercise, please?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and read and remember. Okay. Man fataha al-baba. Who opened the door? Ana fatahtu. I opened it. Here the verb is fatahtu, and who is the
Pronoun.
pronoun. Oh, yes, pronoun. Thank you. Okay. Man fatahal nawafiza. Who opened the windows? Ana fatahtuha. I opened them. So fatahtu is the verb, and ha is oh my god, I again forgot the word.
Pronoun.
Pronoun. Okay.
Thank you. Sister, who is going to do the new word? Kalimat, Sister Gulshan. Can you do the new vocabulary? Just read it once more, and then we'll finish the lesson.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-Inabu. I have to read the meanings or?
Yes, read the real meaning as well, please.
Okay. Al-Inabu, Al-Mawzu, At-Tinu, Al-Fajru. Jawabun,
the meaning too.
Ajwibatun. Sawalun, As'ilatun. Bakalu, Al-Asa, Hayatun. Samia, Fahima, Shariba.
So I can do the meaning.
Okay, you want me to do the meanings?
Yeah.
Okay. Jawabun.
No, from the beginning. Al-Inabu.
Al-Inabu. I don't know the meaning of
Grapes.
Grapes. Okay. Mawzu.
Bananas.
Banana?
Correct.
Yeah.
See, Sister Gulshan, you don't like your bananas then?
No, I hate banana. Atinu means mud.
No,
Fig,
no.
fig.
Fig. Fig.
Teen was
Fig,
zaytun.
fig. Okay, sorry, fig. Fajru.
Morning.
Fajr morning. Okay, Fajr means morning. Jawabun.
Answer.
Answer.
Correct.
Ajwibatun.
Ajwib.
Jawabun ajwibatun is answer, plural of answer.
Okay, plural. Okay. So walun is the as'ilatun, means the question.
Correct.
Bakalun,
Grocer.
grocer. Al-asa means
Stick.
the stick. Hayatun.
Snake or
Snake.
snakes.
Okay. Samia, to listen. Fahima, frame.
To understand.
He understood.
Fahima means to understand. Shariba,
Drink.
He drank.
drink, to drink.
Okay, Jazakallah, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faraj. Please go for this lesson. This is a really important lesson. And inshallah, we are on track to finish this book probably before Shahr Ramadan, inshallah. So lesson number 6, we'll do next week. And then number 7 the following week, inshallah. Do that. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali
More
Muhammad.
practice.
Jazakallah khair, inshallah. التماس دعاء
Jazakallah.
وجزاك
Hafiz.
الله خدا حافظ ان شاء الله.